The immense weight of the tank roof requires a synchronized effort. These hydraulic pistons lift the structure incrementally.
The heat exchanger array is critical for temperature regulation, ensuring the liquids are processed efficiently before moving to the next stage. Thermal stress is beginning to show on the exterior of the pipe as the intense heat causes the metal to glow and visibly warp. Crude oil is preheated before distillation.
Is the heart of the refinery. Crude oil is injected directly into the furnace, creating an inferno that drives the entire operation.
Within the tower, we witness the critical phase transformation. Liquid droplets strike the trays, instantly vaporizing and fueling the powerful updraft. This cinematic footage shows the slower flow of the heavier fraction moving through the mid-column outlet pipe.
Reduced pressure lowers boiling points.
This vacuum distillation apparatus efficiently separates the mixture, yielding high-purity product directed toward the conversion section.
Heavy molecules are split under hydrogen pressure.
Utilizing extreme heat and pressure, the hydrocracking unit refines the feedstock. The lighter streams exit rapidly, captured before they can degrade.
This is the catalytic reforming unit. Massive burners fire directly onto the catalyst pellets, generating immense heat for the refining process.
Utilizing these high-detail filtration systems, The streams are refined and routed directly into the primary treatment units.
Here, deep within the desulfurization towers, the chemical reaction violently churns the slurry, a critical stage in the process.
As the system stabilizes, we can confirm that the water has reached optimal purity values.
As the meters calibrate, the ratios shift. Notice how the mixture changes from greenish-blue to a stabilized...
The automated systems ensure unparalleled precision, with digital readouts confirming specifications in real time. The pipeline network efficiently transports the refined product from the heart of the refinery complex directly to the urban centers that depend on it.
Manifest checked, he's cleared for the east gate. Control, this is gate 2, tanker 72 is rolling out. Next up is the flatbed.
Operations, Unit 2 is stable. Preparing for shift handover now. We have ignition on stack 7. Repeat, ignition confirmed. Standing by for further instructions.
We need to vent the pressure on flare stack 3 immediately. I repeat, immediate action required.
As the sun sets, the plant continues its tireless work, providing the energy that powers our world.